Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys another midnight update. So, we're going to get into what is referred to as the Midnight November State of the Network. Okay, so if you guys do get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how many night tokens you guys are eligible to claim. So we'll get into some of those specifics and more. Okay, guys, so taking a look on the Twitter, this is the latest article here. So it is the November State of the Network, and it is just landed. So we're going to get into the 1 billion night claimed as scavenger mine closes, which we've been covering here on the channel. So if you guys want, head over to the Crypto Moose channel. And guys, we do tutorials almost every week right here on the channel. So if you want to get in early on new projects on different chains, not just Cardano, not just talking about Bitcoin opportunities, but getting into like new airdrops. So I have a few videos that we're going to be doing. So guys, stay tuned. Check that out. Make sure you are subscribed. Okay. So we're going to be getting into that, which we've been covering quite in depth. Midnight Summit keynote. So there was a big Midnight Summit. Moose was not there. Glacier Drop claims expand across more exchanges. So guys, December 8th, that is when Midnight is going to be available. There's going to be liquidity on exchanges. So let me know if you're excited about that as well. Developer momentum spikes after Hacktoberfest, plus Summit Hackathon, plus Network Pulse. Let's dive into it. So I've already gone through it a couple times, but I figured, some of you may just want the Moose to go over it for you. So Scavenger Mine recap. Scavenger Mine, the second phase of the night token distribution, closed at midnight November 20th. So now you are unable to mine for night. It was pretty interesting. I think I got between 7 different wallets, 2 different computers. I was pretty easily able to get like 2,000 night. So guys, comment down below, how many night did you get? So I was satisfied with it, but I wasn't like overwhelmed. I wasn't abashed by it. It was quite minimal in terms of rewards, what I thought. However, Midnight could launch at a pretty substantial price point. So I've done videos on that. I did my, $1 Midnight video. I mean, I give you guys what I think Midnight will launch at on that episode. So there we go. We've already gone through that. As you guys know, this is a very multi-phase rollout, right? So they're rolling this out in different phases. I've done updates. So what's next in the night token distribution? So the night token distribution will continue with redemption period 450 days. This is the big one. So for those of you that were waiting, or you're like, when can I claim my night? It's going to be rolling out over time. Basically every 90 days you will get 25% of your night that you can claim. So there you go. It's going to thaw out. That's the idea of the Glacier Drop in equal 4 parts, right, over 90-day installments. So 25%, 90 days. There's a whole chart about it. Maybe I could find it. I don't know. Let's see if I can find it on Midnight. Actually, if you guys do go to the link tree as well, you guys can use this Scavenger Mine Live. I have quick links for you. So guys, use this to not only get in an online course, not only to buy stuff, but support the channel. Use this. So there is something about this here. So I am zoomed in quite a bit, but that's okay. Glacier Drop. Let's see the redemption. I know there's something around here. Thaw out redemption period. There's like this beautiful chart that I saw the one day. I'll see if I can find it here. Find out. Claim now. Redeem. I think it's under redeem. There you go. So thawing schedule example. So when would each share? So guys, again, 25% over 90 days. So I don't know if it's like day 1 you'll get some, day 25 you'll get some. I assume it's going to take 25 days for you to claim them. I don't know. Second thaw, 180, 270, 360. So that's what I was getting into. Very interesting there. So keep this in your head. Keep that on your minds. Lost and found over 4 years. So late claims from original eligible wallets after mainnet launch. So guys, it's all about getting in early because there's always going to be more potential opportunities down the road, right? In very like risk free, man. Like I know quite a few people that didn't get into it because they just didn't want to put in any effort. You know, like even when I was doing it, I didn't want to have my computer set up and do it, but that's why I'm going to be benefited. Exchange facilitated claims coming soon. So I believe this is December 8th. What I do like about Midnight and what I am excited about and what I think is kind of cool is that there are a lot of exchanges that are actually going to allow you to claim night if you hold ADA. So that's going to be interesting. I don't know what the exact numbers are or how that's going to work out, but very cool there. So Network Pulse. Midnight ecosystem continued to see steady development. So this is more of a November 2025 update. Guys, within 2 weeks, you're going to be seeing this token on exchanges. There's going to be liquidity. Smart contracts deployed 3,603. Faucet requests 524. Smart contract calls. Growth active wallets 370. So there's growth, right? Midnight Summit. So there was a Midnight Summit. You guys can watch the video. Check it out. Just YouTube it. Very cool there. I mean, this whole thing is about privacy, right? So you look at Zcash, right? Maybe we can pull that up. Pull that bad boy up. Do you guys own any Zcash? Do you guys have any? I mean, send some to the Moose. Send the Moose some Zcash. But guys, privacy is a big thing, right? When we're talking about Midnight, we're talking about privacy. This chart looks awful in this view. Let's go to the 1 year. 1,000%. Okay. I mean, the data is so much, it just can't even handle it. Wow. Even on the month, it's okay. On the week, it's definitely, you can't get in at the high, right? But on the year, hopefully this loads a little bit. We'll see. But guys, Zcash has gone nuts, right? People want more privacy, right? Especially in the world that we're living in today with cell phones. I talk about it. I know I get into like all those scenarios, but Midnight's a big deal because people want privacy more than ever, right? We're so integrated with technology, and technology is everywhere. It's like if you don't have a photo of something, it doesn't exist. With Midnight, you'll be able to have more control over privacy. This is big for businesses, institutions, right? This could be used for voting in good ways, right? So that's really cool. I wish you guys could see it on the year. I mean, you can see it here. It's 913%, almost 1,000. But that's Zcash. So there is, in my opinion, a big opportunity for this with RWAs, the real world assets, and more. So here you go. This is the technology provides groundwork for core digital freedoms, right? Freedom of association. Individuals connect and build communities while maintaining ownership and control over data. We don't want to give up all of our control over data, right? Either like we're going to go in either one or two directions with technology, right? It's like you're going to have either more freedom or less freedom. This could be a path for humans, right? I don't know. I really see it as a big deal. Like it's not really an investment at this point. It's more of like it's like, what do you actually want to believe in? What are you actually voting for? What do you believe in? What do you want the next generation to live with, right? Do you want it to be where very few people own all the data, right? And you have no freedom at all when it comes to your data? Or do you want a opportunity where you have more control over it, right? Freedom of commerce. Privacy is programmable, enabling new forms of digital exchange. Freedom of expression. Tools allow idea sharing without the chilling effect of permanent surveillance, right? Surveillance. This is a big deal. This is things that, you know, this is going to be a bigger deal 5 years down the road, right? With more AI, more data. Data is the new oil. People need to understand data is the way. The widespread participation in the recent night token distribution with over 1 million users and 4.5 billion tokens claimed. Okay? So signals a profound engagement. And guys, if there's enough liquidity, I think the price point could be pretty significant. Probably not going to hit $1, but you could see 10 to 30 cents probably. It's kind of whatever if I were to estimate. Not financial advice. When? So the roadmap to fully realized mainnet. Let's see here. So expansion. Okay. So by the way, Midnight is a partner chain to Cardano. It's its own blockchain. Keep that in mind. This is not a layer 2 of Cardano or anything. Satoshi gives us money. So yeah, I remember Charles was talking about that a bit. Like, anyways, I've done other videos on this. We don't need to get into it too much. How architecting, shielded technology. So anyways, night dusk cooperative economic model. So the dual component economic model aligns incentives and removes friction from users onboarding. So guys, Night is the native utility token with 24 billion supply. It grants governance rights and acts as a generator for the operational resource Dust. So Dust is the fuel that empowers smart contract execution and privacy enhanced operations. So I believe you're going to want to hold on to your Night because it will produce Dust, and then you can use Dust. So guys, this is one asset where I don't think you want to sell it right away. I think you're going to want to own it. So I don't know. It's my understanding that you really want to own the best stuff, right? Like the good stuff, not the super low cap stuff where there's not a lot of potential in the future. But like if you bought Nvidia years ago, you made profit, you have to think to yourself, is this, will I want to have to buy it back in 10 years? Right? Like what's the direction of this? What's the potentiality? Potentiality for this is massive. Right? So even with Cardano, even with Bitcoin, I think the use case for Bitcoin, we're still so early. Believe it or not. We're yeah, like I see it where you have, yeah, where it's just a global monument of a digital asset with Bitcoin. In Midnight is like, it's like almost like the hope for privacy. And it's going to be so interoperable, right? And, you know, if you're generating Dust, the thing is if you get rid of it now, you're gonna have to buy it back for much more later. That's what I think. Especially if you guys are getting the tokens almost for free. Like, come on. Dust. It's a renewable resource that generates over time based on Night holdings. Guys, hold on to your Night. Operating on a recharge model. You can take the Night that you claim and use that to fuel your dApps, so that nobody ever has to pay for a transaction on Midnight to use your application. There you go. Compliance by design. I'm not going to get into that. Hackathon. So this was like the... Yeah. Hackers competed for a prize. I didn't really follow that too much, but anyways, AI, healthcare, governance, finance... Like Midnight spreads across a much diverse range than I even thought, really. Key contribution includes, so 3 winners. Okay, so congrats to the winners, but okay. So guys, over 500 people participated in the second annual Midnight Community Survey. Okay, great. So guys, those are the updates on Night. Guys, hit up the link tree. Definitely follow Midnight on Twitter. Check out the website and research as much as you can. Guys, I really appreciate you guys following. Let me know if you enjoy these news-related videos. They're much easier for me to produce as well because I'm working on a couple tutorials and I have to bring stuff into DaVinci I have to like screen record stuff I did before because I was busy. Then I had to bring it over later. And I have other professional video stuff to edit, plus an online store I'm growing. So, yeah. And I have to take photos. I'm doing photo work today. So, guys, please comment down below. Let me know how many night you have. Have you been impressed with night? I've been impressed. I wish the claiming would be a little more simplified. But again, this is unique. And I think it's going to attract a lot of users. And I think midnight long term, it could be one of the big moves, man. It could be a big move. So that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you all in the next one. Cheers, guys.